this one is translated in a southern accent. So it says, "He himself set up his throne in the firmament and nether regions, and his ordinance is created the world, the place for righteous action." So basically, he's saying the firmament he's on top of and has a throne on and has a way of making things ordered the way the creator wants. So if you go to NASA, their fake CGI photo that they created, it doesn't have a throne up there, the creator, and that's what the whole point of NASA is, to pretend that the firmament isn't real. So they either take it out completely or they change it to where it just means the sky or something kind of bland and boring and not the greatness for what it is. So here's another thing that I wanted to show about talking about the elites now is the cruel rulers eat human flesh and perform Muslim prayers. So I'm going to say that has to do with all the Freemasons, the Islamic Freemasons. It's basically talking about what they do and how they treat humanity. I just wanted to put that one in there because it kind of goes along with what we're talking about now. So a lot of these different translations, they'll either be changed or they will just kind of say, like here it's saying, the knowledge of the world, continents, and nether regions is gained by understanding the name of the Creator. But they didn't say it as like, you know, the 14 worlds higher and lower. So they need to get you to understand through the translation what the real thing is, and they kind of want you to assume NASA pseudoscience. So here it's saying if you were to become known in the 9 continents, but see, they'll say that the 9 continents are what they want to say now, but the 9 continents are Vedic and Puranic of how it's said, and it's basically saying that we live on one of the islands or continents of Bhumandal, and that what we know is this world, this is just one, and there's 8 others that are just like what we are doing right now, and they kind of want you off track and doing pseudoscience rather than understanding and then kind of thinking it over of what this is really meaning. So people need to understand that the word Rakia is the firmament, or the word Akash, the Akashic record, is meaning that the stars that are put in the sky. It's like a record of everything that's going on. So here's another one that it's the words Rakia. So here's the word Rakia right there, but they don't say it as the firmament. They'll say the mythical bull representing piety, the outcome of the compassion of the Creator, holds up the earth in its position with patience, but it's not. It's saying what holds up the Rakia is the Creator. The Creator, and it's saying that the mythical bull would be representing everyone's compassion, purity, this and that, and right now it's only standing on one leg, so it's basically saying that that's what holds up the earth for now until the destruction. You know, once people go to where there's no legs holding it up, it's saying that, you know, that's the destruction and recreation. But it's saying it holds up the earth at its position with patience, but it's actually saying the Rakia, the firmament, and that firmament is our protector, the dome over our head. And it's saying here, beyond this earth, there are more and more earths. So, Darti hor pra hor hor. But it's saying there's more earth on this flat realm. So on this flat surface that we're on, in the middle, there's more and more to this earth. But they put more earths as in like NASA pseudoscience. They want you to assume again NASA pseudoscience. But it's hor means more. And so Darti is the earth, and it's saying there's more and more Earth, but they're saying there's more and more ball globes, that we can't see any of this going on. We'll never be able to see this. This is all religious, faith-based, but NASA is all pseudoscience, occultism, faith-based, but it's still just as much as a religion. So this is basically saying the firmament as well, but they don't tell you the firmament. They want you to make it look like a gravity thing. Their theory of gravity falls apart when you start to break it down, and it becomes apparent once you understand the flat Earth and how they're covering it up. I'll make some more videos of these words.